Yes, we're having in live trading today on our YouTube channel, and Shiham saying hello, bro, morning, bro. Yeah, I'm good. So for today, sorry, I was driving. That's why we kind of missed in this entry that I'm actually having in right now. I don't know if my voice is very clear. Let me check. Okay, I think that it's clear. So, as usual, we're always having these live tradings on our YouTube channel, and people are saying thanks for your work. Yeah, you're welcome, bro. Today we shall experience in some echoes, but I think we shall bear with it. Okay, and one thing I want us to do today, I want us to discuss on yesterday's trades, how actually yesterday's trades were, and how yesterday's trades performed. I'm having in a lot of background noise. Having a lot of background noise with me, but we shall try to bear with it. Okay, first of all, the people on TikTok here, you're welcome. And we are trading live on YouTube right now. You could please share it to your friend so that we grow together as a community. First of all, today I'll try to discuss on how yesterday's trades actually performed, and also try to discuss on how today's trades also did what. What we shall be trading today. We shall be looking at all the pairs today. So, what are we going to be having today? We're going to be having in this live trading session together on our YouTube, okay? And also here on TikTok. You could try to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can go together as a community. And we're actually going to talk about what happened yesterday. We're going to actually talk on what happened yesterday, how yesterday's trades actually moved. Yesterday for me as a scalper, I actually made a lot of money. If you could remember that account that I actually got from $400 yesterday to 10K USD, okay? That could tell you that yesterday was a very, very good day for me. And first, I'm sharing this thing to your friends also, so they could join in. Sorry for that background noise that I know you will be receiving today, but I have nothing to do for it. Actually, this buy that is moving right here, it has actually moved over 400 pips so far. 400 pips so far, and I'm sure it's still moving by now. but we just needed to retest our zone, and I'm going to show you the reasons where it actually bought from those levels. We are live trading on YouTube. Try to check in. Try to check in my channel. The link is in the bio, so that we could grow together as a community. Someone, I'm having some questions here, but it will be very good, or it will be better if you'd actually subscribe, if you'd actually come to the YouTube, because it's YouTube that I will actually be using today. Someone is saying mic Teddy, I don't know. The mic is on YouTube, but so I don't know if you could hear me. TikTok people, I don't know if you could hear me, but tell me if you could hear me. Someone should tell me that the mic is on, so that we could proceed. Is the mic on? Actually, it's on because I can actually listen to myself. Okay. Now let's focus on our YouTube channel. I've shared actually to the group so that we could have these live trading sessions together. Kim Semgera at wages. Can I enter the trade now? You know, let's first analyze them having entries. Let's first actually analyze this chart so that we could have in these entries. Now, what are we having today? Or what are we going to be trading today? You would actually see on yesterday's live, we had in some two zones, okay? We had in a buy zone and then a sell zone. And the buy zone we had in yesterday was at this point, and we actually gave in reasons why gold will sell from that point, and the take profits were here. And those people who were here, people were actually thanking me because a lot of people got in some money from this setup here, and it moved over. Actually it moved over 190, but to my calculations yesterday it moved over 2,000 pips, meaning someone with lot one of gold would be now having in someone with lot one of gold would be having in like 20k USD. Okay, so what does it mean? It means that actually these wars have been hopeful to some of us who can actually high risk these trades, okay? And when you check, okay, when you check on yesterday's trades, I had in this zone which was actually very strong, okay? This zone was actually very strong yesterday. This zone here was very strong yesterday, okay? And we had in two zones. We had in a zone at 530 and that zone at 540. No, 503.30 and 503.40. That was our sell zone yesterday. But remember, I told you it's very easy for markets to actually it's very easy actually for you to miss out the markets if you actually don't get the zones, okay? So when you actually check here, when you come and check on what we are having today or what we had yesterday, this buy zone was very, very good. Remember we had in a 1 hour fair value gap. I'm forgetting the name of the person who actually reminded us that we are having it yesterday, okay? And we marked that zone, which was actually let me mark it for you here. We marked this zone which was actually here, okay? This 1 hour FVG level. Let me mark it for you. Remember, for the FVGs, we always wait for the cross-point approachment levels too. Okay, this is it here. This is it. So we were waiting for market to at least come to this level. But remember, one thing that I told you about these brokers always do the manipulations, okay? There are some brokers on your trading view. Let's say on trading view we have in the wonders, the forex.com, okay? Some players could actually lie you that, you know, they have either reached the level when they have not yet. So let's check on another broker here and we see what actually. Now this is forex.com. Let's first now try to use Owanda. Then we see what happened on Owanda. Okay. This is it. And I think if those people were yesterday on our YouTube live trading sessions, you would actually remember that I had in these two zones for you, okay? Let me show you these zones. We had in a buy zone, which is this one here, and you see what actually happened here, and we had in also the sell zone. So for the sell zone, remember for me when I want to enter in these markets, I always go in for the 15-minute time frame. That's my best time frame that I actually use while trading. So what did we have yesterday? What do we have yesterday? Yesterday we were live here. We had in these zones. I told you, remember, we came here when the market is still at this level here. And I told you, you just need a retest to this level in order to sell, okay? And I had in people here. We sold from this level to up to this level, okay? And what happened here? What happened here was, I actually bought from this level, but the selling momentum was much. And those people were live on me on TikTok. I actually told you that whenever you see these multiple rejections, okay, it makes a zone, okay, it makes this zone weak, okay. So after us getting this sale that we got, because the market was in the middle here, we were either waiting for it to come here, then we buy it, or come here, then we sell it. And people sold from here yesterday. Actually, people made a lot of money yesterday, okay? Now, I wanted us to check on this 1 hour FBT so that I could actually tell you. So those people who don't get me clearly here on TikTok, we are live trading on YouTube right now, and don't forget to subscribe to that channel so that we can grow together as a community. So let's put in this 15-minute time frame. No, I wanted the 1 hour. I want to check its FVG, how it actually reacted to that price. Let's see if it also failed to. Okay, I'll actually remove these things here. So forex trading is always easy if you actually know what to do in the market. It always becomes easy. Okay, so we had in this level here, which actually was not tapped. This one FVG, and you could mark it because that zone is very strong, 5340. Market could pull up to that level, then actually sell from that level. Okay, yeah, it's very also. It's a very good strong zone. So for today, what are we having? We're having in buys. We're having in buys. If you could now check these candles. This candle that we are having, okay, that is a 50 candle, which actually shows some liquidity. We are having in buys, but I'm just now waiting for a retest. Okay, we're just waiting for a retest candle. Let me check. I think we are already in the London session. We are here in the list. Seriously, let me check. Bro, for mom, I think you should check your what? Your volume. Man. So I'm just waiting for a buy right now, and that buy. Remember yesterday market showed a lot of liquidity, and I had in some buys yesterday. You know, 0.01 giving you something like 0.01 giving you $80, 80. It means that lot one would be giving you 8,000 USD. Bro, 8,000 USD on just a single trade, okay? So, we have been markets trying to dump, and I'll actually first give out this signal today, so that I think I'll tell you the reason why we are buying from those levels after us making some money. Huh? So, whenever market actually comes to my buy levels or my sell levels, I just wait for a liquidity to be swept, okay? Or I just wait for candle confirmations. So now market is actually dropping, and we shall now go to the 15-minute time frame. Shall now go to the 15-minute time frame. Yeah. Okay. For gold, remember when you those people were here at first, we had in this thing. I had in I've just removed it. I had in some arrow which was like this. I expected gold to come drop to my levels here, then actually move up, okay? And it's what I'm seeing right now. Because remember, it had left me, it had a bit left me, and I had to wait for it to come back to my level. And right now, what gold is doing actually, it's coming back to the level, okay? And I'm expecting us to have in buys when market comes to our level. Just needing some little confirmation, some what, some kind of injection, some few things so that we could have in those trades today. Yeah. Someone has said that it's echo, bro, echoes too much. Yeah, echoes too much because I actually worked in an outdoor space. So today you will bear with me with the echo. So I'm having in 62 people on TikTok. Let me tell you this trick here. Could you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? The link is in the back because at least you have in something. We will see the text right here on my YouTube because now here it's something. It's kind of rough. Okay. So, and don't forget that we'll be having live trading sessions every single day, okay? We'll be having live trading sessions every day. So, just tap the link in the bio for the free trading community and for the free yeah, someone said join YouTube for better sound. Yeah, YouTube has better sound because I think I plugged in some microphones. Because right now, someone is talking about NFP. Do you actually have NFP today? Do you have NFP today? Let me check. Someone Someone is talking about NFP. You might be having news. I don't think so. What's the date today? What's the date today? Do you have an NFP? I'm not sure. You know, for me, sometimes I go on trading. Actually, I go on trading what I call technical analysis. Sometimes I don't even care about fundamentals. So, in most cases, I try to not even check if you have news today. Let's check. Today is it second? Someone commented NFP. Why are you trying to be funny? Today is 4th. Okay? And this is Wednesday 4th. No, we don't have NFP today. We only have the ADP. Yeah. We shall have in the ADP today. We don't have NFP today. Yeah, we are having it on Friday. We are having NFP on Friday. And I don't think today is a Friday. So we shall also trade it, I think. As long as you touch me well. So, market is coming to the zone, and that's where I'm going to see risk traders here taking in some positions. We shall see some risk traders taking in some positions. Using a portable microphone will be. I'm actually using one. Maybe if you're not getting me clearly, so how much capital should we put first time on your life? Capital depends on your wallet. Yeah. Capital depends on your wallet. So what do we have here? Has it tapped this zone? Because we need in some kind of confirmation, somewhat does actually come to this level that we are seeing, and it has, I think, tapped. Oh, it's yet. Let me see. Yeah, no gold is very, very funny. It can leave you in a minute. Let's put it here. Something can actually leave you in a minute. And you should always not fear to fail, because these are markets. These are financial markets. These are markets that we're having today. That's what we are having today. Someone said, can $20 be good to begin. $20 is good. $10 can be good for you. We have in 2 minutes for this kind of close. Let's pray it closes above my entry models, because if it doesn't do that, it shall actually be risky. But we want money today. That's it. Where do you make your physical classes from? Link in bio. Yeah. So many people on TikTok, if you join in live trading on my YouTube channel so that we can grow together as a community. I'm having in over 50 people here on YouTube, and we want to make some money today. We are having in this live trading session. For us to go together as a community. And some people, I think, learn a lot from me. I had people yesterday telling me they're actually learning a lot of things from me. I had a lot of people saying they are learning a lot from me. One thing I want to tell you people, mind about the websites you use. Nowadays gold is very, very heavy. Okay? So if you're having in a small account, mind about the websites that you use. Because the bigger the lot size, the more money you could make, but the riskier your account gets. I'm having in, remember, I'm a high risk trader. My high risk trader, you know that. Yeah, this is what I was telling you. You look at the time, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second, and has closed above my entry level. So it's either you make losses or you make profits, okay? But it has confirmed some buys, yeah, late scalping, some buys, it has confirmed. So now this depends on the market. Let me put in some entries also. Now for me, how do I trade? Let's say if I put in some entries right now and we may be experiencing, let's say it comes like to this level, it drops a bit, I add in more. For me, I don't put in my lot sizes at once. But right now, as we are scalping, I'm struggling with profits of $40 on a 0.2 lot size. Okay, I'm having in some. I've put in some 0.2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 of them, and each is in 57 profits. Okay, and you could see how the market is reacting at that level. And people think forex trading is hard. If you have actually not noticed, I'm one of the best leaders in Kampala and all over Africa. It's just that the only reason I don't show off. That's the only reason. But you could check. Market could react actually. You see, it's having in these reactions, and those people who are buying, you're seeing in some rules, okay? You're seeing in some rules, okay? Because now 0.2 is now giving me, it's now in 90 USD. That's good money for someone who is just starting as a trader. And let me tell you one thing. Now, what if it goes up? What will happen? Oh, because now some people here we got in a tendency of now putting in some break even somewhere, okay? Now, let's assume market goes up those pips. Do you know how much money we could be making? Yeah? actually be making. So let's just see if actually this candle will rise. Remember, forex trading is not that easy. Now 0.2 is giving me 100 USD so far. Let me see some things in the comment section. Are we making some money? Are we making some money together? We are live trading on YouTube. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah. 0.2s are now giving me over 100 USD. Okay? Boss, hey, is this consolidation means this what? STUARTFX paper, I can wait for consolidation to end. I'm looking at. Yeah, you wait for the 1 hour, but for me, I always trade in the 15-minute time frame. I always trade in the 15-minute time frame, and I'm always good at it. I'm always good at getting these sniper entries. To me, I just waiting for this candle to come at the zone that I've actually marked on my psychological levels. Then I'll actually wait for it to close above my entry model. Then the candle that they print next, that's a 15-minute candle, it has to be kind of bearish to come back and retest my zone. That's when I enter the markets. Remember, the markets are not for our grand uncles and what. So whenever you feel like you've made in some money, you should. Someone said, "Can we enter positions?" But I told you already. I told you already. And for people who, let me show you one thing. There are people who are actually scalpers. You know scalpers? Let me show you one thing. Now, like me, I can be good at scalping. Okay? There are some people who don't even delay in the markets. Now, for example, someone who has bought from this level to where market has come, yeah, that's 120 pips. Now, someone who has been making, let's say 20, not even, okay, let's say someone who has been making, now me I was an electrician in 2023. I used to make, let's say 20K or 10K per day, that's $5, $3. If I would actually get these 120 pips that I've got, why do I need to stress myself? There are people who are good at scalping. Someone gets this 100 pips, he goes home. Because 0.01 is getting you $10. Actually say, I only need 70 USD to pass my phase 1, but then the next can I enter? You could actually enter with us. And we had in someone yesterday who had in a drawdown of his funded account. And for yesterday's trades, he actually made in some good amounts, okay? And he removed his funded from the drawdown. So for me, I have in some key levels whereby I'm very sure that if market taps that level, I'm quite sure I can have in those 100 pips on spot. Okay? It's very easy for me to have in those 100 pips on spot. I always know that there are some certain levels where I be getting my people TikTok asking which players could tap into my YouTube channel. We are live trading on YouTube channel every single day. We're always active on our YouTube channel. And please subscribe to the channel. I don't know why you people don't want to subscribe my channels. I'll put live trading. You'll be there. Honorable is always telling me subscribe or name what you got. I don't want those things. Subscription or name what you got. Now, for me on my side, I'm actually having in profits and losses. Remember, for me, I always have in those big losses that I use. Okay, so when you see when my face is kind of changing, just know I'm having in huge losses. But I think we have not gotten serious losses today. With profits, those people with that from the entry level, I know we are shining. We are killing the metal. And those people were actually with me yesterday. You saw that I flipped that account from 400 USD to 10K USD in just a day. I make withdrawals when you people are seeing. So that's how I know. That's how I understand the markets. If you think these things are easy, you also come and live trade with people, get them some money. I just thought you. So far, we have moved 180 pips. That's good money. It's just that for me, I don't. 0.2 is giving me 230 USD right now. Bro, this is what I always tell you. Imagine this entry, when you see it, right now it's giving me some money. Okay? If you think these things are easy, also sit on the chart and get in this entry. That's how things work. And people have been making, now 0.2 is getting me 1M. 1M, can you imagine? Oh my God. Bro, we have actually made, on one account I've made 1000 USD, on another I've made 400 USD. That's actually 5M in just this trade. And there's one thing I want you to notice. There are people who always come having in these trades, okay? And someone will tell you this. Let me show you what you think. Remember, these candles are very heavy. Someone will tell you that the final take profits are what? Here, okay? So, what I will tell you, we have at least made in some amounts, 200 pips. They are very hard to get on gold, okay? So, I would advise anyone to put in break even. We have added 220 pips. Okay, so you could either put in break even, close in some trade, secure something. Okay, the target we are having is to take the money home, and those people who feel like, yeah, I need money, bro, hold the trade. Just hold the trade. There are some people who are willing to risk, but they could actually wait for market to reach those zones. Market could go up over 400 pips in a day. I mean, over 1,000 pips in a day. And people you can hold, making some money. Okay? Which carriers players are you trading? I'm on gold. Link in bio, live trading on YouTube. Yeah. So 0.5 given me $220, and it's now back at 134, 150 USD. That's why I always tell you people, you should always be ready to secure in some profits. Let me tell you one thing. If gold gives you 100 pips, or if gold gives you 200 pips, it's enough for the day. Okay? In most cases, it's enough for the day because markets have to retest each time. They retest. That's what I can tell you. They retest. And they can even retest, sweep in some liquidity, take you out. Okay? So I'm having 55 people here on YouTube, but you could also try to reach that trading community, that free trading community that we have, and the link is in the bio. You can join in, and you could also subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll be having these live trading sessions every single day. Yeah, I think I need like 46 people to make it to 500 subscribers. And I'm sure some of you have not subscribed yet. Someone is saying, will you live trade any of you on Friday? I'll have in a session on my YouTube. I'll have in a session on my YouTube. I usually have a session on my YouTube, and for live trading, I'll be here for like an hour. We have spent like 40 minutes here, remaining with a few minutes to close. But one thing I would want to tell you is that whatever thing we talk about on our YouTube live trading, take it serious. Because even yesterday, people made money out of those lives, okay? So whatever we talk about, we should actually take it serious. Aine Steven is talking about physical classes. Yes, I have them. Link is in bio. Someone is saying, can we enter now? Bro, let me answer this question. Okay? Christiana first said you can be telling us when to enter. Please don't quit live trading. But I've actually told people when to enter. You can see the entry also for yourself. Right? So whenever you enter from where the market is right now, it means you can face in the interest rates. Okay. Yeah. Can you share me your indicator that you're using? Just that's in mentorship, Mr. Abud. Well, there's no NFP here, just here today. And we have some people who are not from Uganda on our YouTube channel. You could actually comment. Are we having some people from Pakistan, South Africa? You're talking of physical classes. Yes, I have them. I have physical classes, and I told you the link is in the bio. Yeah. Someone is talking of the ASL. And now when you talk of the ASL, this is not the ASL that is there. I was just getting an entry and to get a clear view, a bigger view because I'm on this board, I'm on what. But you could actually have in an ASL of 40 pips, maybe 100 pips because nowadays gold is heavy, or 30 pips. It depends on how much you want to risk all those. Israel said, I prefer gold in both. Of course, me too, I prefer gold. So, people here in the comment section of YouTube, do we have any, whenever you have some profits are getting some energy. Do we have people in profits? We don't have any. I want to see if I'm actually helpful. Yeah, I can see people here. People here are saying, people here are saying we have already made in lunch. That's big man. Yeah, thanks for that. Thanks for that. These people have actually made in some lunch. So you people are only making lunch. Why not making money to buy some lands? So you could see, yeah, and let me tell you one thing, let me show you one thing here. Look at this person, he said, it's called but he said, God bless you, I'm on your life, you see? I'm on your life, you can make big money on my life. Alright, do that. So if you actually miss my lives, that's very bad. Now, what's happening right now? Those people who have been small hearts, you can close. But those people who can actually hold, you can get in some good pips here. And one thing I can tell you, this thing started in our favor, okay? This rejection I dropped off, and now we are buying, we are pushing up, it's in our favor. Look, market will be seen a go. I'm back in 250 USD on gold. Someone think of the time frame that I use. Which one? Was it? That is the house. Okay. So, big life value is a coach at camera. So, this is what I'm doing today, and I'm soon closing up. So you can stay in this trade by yourselves. So, the people on TikTok, if you see me posing, yes, now I'm also going to check on my profits. I'm also a human being. I check on profits. Let me show you how many books we are moving so far. So far, we have moved, right now we have moved 200, and those pips are enough. Those pips are always enough because all is heavy. You know, it's going to go up, of course, but those pips are always enough for you. You've got 200 pips. What? That's good money for you. Because if you're having in dot one, that's 2,000 USD in just these two candles. And people say, and all people think that there is no money in forex trading, yet you are making live trading sessions and making money. These two candles have so far moved 210 pips. Do you know what that means? That's good money. You've got $2,000. Why don't you sleep? Why don't you relax? Huh? And don't forget that we'll be having in these live sessions every day on my YouTube channel, and the link is in bio, okay? When you check, I've already calculated, we have moved 210 pips. That's good amount for you. And it's still moving up. Just that I'm having in live sessions, other live sessions, so I'm closing in 10 minutes. So that you people could hold these entries that we have. We have moved 210 pips in these live trading sessions so far. And if you're to hold, let me show you one thing. Someone will be like, okay, could you now tell us, okay, where do you think you could just time in this London high, okay? And this London high, it's where we have even this Asian high and what? That's 450 pips. Market could easily reach that level. Could easily reach that level. It's very easy because when you see at this, we're having in a lot of multiple rejections that we got around here. So we're having in some good rejection levels, and market could try to come and tap into that liquidity level, then drop a bit. Okay, so this is it. We started this live together, and we have made in this live together. I want to learn how much. Link in bio. Because now 0.2, 1.2 is now giving me $300. That's good money for me. As a Ugandan, as an average Ugandan, who needs money? It's good for me as an average Ugandan. So that's what we are having for today. Let's turn in tomorrow again for the live trading session that we shall be having on our YouTube channel. The people I saw on TikTok, if you need to make in some profits like me, don't forget to subscribe or tap the link in the bio to join with me. So for TikTok, we are closing off and we shall stay on our YouTube for a while. No, that's just my entry. Yeah, this is my strategy. And I think you are here on starting my thing. So it's very easy to in these entries. And that's why they call someone doing the checks. It's very hard for you to see that I done it maybe in a few minutes. Yeah? But it's hard to do that. No, those few minutes. And it was my violation, but I was just waiting for it to slip. Because you saw me when I've already marked it. Let's close this trade first. What did you say?
One I look at the argument between us was 3. What you check? Those points are work going.
You've made some money. First come and tell people here. First come and tell people here you've made some money and you are not ready for the money. Yeah? Yes. Okay. But you made in some money today. Thank you. Yeah, that's good. As long as you know the charts, that's how things be. You also made in some money. That's good, that's good. So how few people have seen, people are making in money here. Someone had not analyzed even the chart, but you actually had to see what I've analyzed, and people are making money, and this thing is still moving. So that's why they call live trading, bro. I sign out. Hold the trades. We meet again tomorrow.